Alright, we're here at the Holiday Inn Express here in Lititz, Pennsylvania. And we have two elevators here to ride. Right up here is the first elevator. And guess what? It's a Schindler 330A. Goes, oh, reload. Goes 3. We're on 3. Going down to 1. Door close button does not work. We all know that for a Schindler 330A. It's a very basic Schindler elevator for a Holiday Inn Express. Nothing really exciting. These are your HT fixtures. And here are 1. There's your floor indicator, capacity is 2,500 pounds. Right there, your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2007. We'll go through, we'll transfer to the R elevator. There's the Schindler logo right there. And here are 3. There goes that elevator. Before we go to the R1, let's get a look out that window here. Not much of a view since the shade is covered. It's not much of an exciting view anyway. There's your stairwell. Now we will transfer to the R elevator. Alright, so we're now here at the R elevator at the Holiday Inn Express in Lititz, Pennsylvania. There it is right there. It's another Schindler 330A. Before we ride it, we're going to view out this window, see if this view is any better than the other view we saw. Still not the greatest view other than an automotive service center. These are your steps. This is your second set of steps. Alright, I guess we'll take a ride on the elevator now. There's your elevator sign. And here's the elevator itself. Like I said, this is another Schindler 330A. Down to 1. We'll get a cab view going down. It's just like the R elevator, very basic for a Holiday Inn Express property. These are your HT buttons. Your 1, capacity is 2,500 pounds. There's your floor indicator and the Schindler logo. And there's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2005. Go to 3, listen to the motor. Roll close button does not work. And here we go. And you're on 3. This one kind of had more of a better motor. Anyways, there goes that elevator, and I guess that'll be it. Alright guys, just for the heck of it, we're going to do it by riding down the other elevator. There's your other elevator sign, and here's the other elevator. As you notice, the other one had a thinner door frame. This one has a more thicker door frame. Anyways, let's take it down. This one has an external indicator. Plus this one was installed at a later date. The main elevator was installed in 2005, and this one was installed in 2007. And here's this elevator once again. I went on the first floor. And you are one. See, according to your certificate, this other one was installed in 2007, while the other one was installed in 2005. Anyway, here we are back at the first floor. We got a link in the picture. This one's got an outer floor indicator as well. Anyways, those are the elevators here at the Holiday Inn Express in Lititz, and that's it.